The term, aircraft dirty dozen, refers to a concept developed by the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, to identify 12 common human factors that contribute to aviation accidents and incidents. These factors are often referred to as the dirty dozen, because they represent key areas where human error and negligence can lead to safety risks. The aircraft dirty dozen is used as a tool to raise awareness and promote safety in the aviation industry. Here are the 12 human factors included in the aircraft dirty dozen. Lack of communication. Inadequate or ineffective communication among individuals and teams can lead to misunderstandings and errors. Complacency. Becoming complacent, overconfident, or developing a sense of routine can lead to overlooking important details and safety measures. Lack of knowledge. Insufficient knowledge or understanding of procedures, regulations, equipment, or tasks can contribute to errors. Distraction. Diverted attention from tasks or responsibilities, including personal electronic devices or unrelated conversations, can lead to errors. Lack of teamwork. Poor teamwork, coordination, or cooperation among crew members or between different departments can compromise safety. Fatigue. Mental or physical exhaustion due to long hours, irregular work schedules, or inadequate rest can impair performance and decision-making. Lack of resources. Insufficient or unavailable resources, such as equipment, tools, or support, can hinder effective performance. Pressure. Time constraints, operational demands, or external influences can create pressure that affects decision-making and safety. Lack of assertiveness. Failure to speak up or assert concerns, suggestions, or information can prevent the effective sharing of vital information. Stress. High levels of stress, both personal and professional, can affect cognitive abilities, judgment, and decision-making. Lack of awareness. Inadequate situational awareness or failure to recognize and assess hazards and risks can contribute to accidents. Norms. Acceptance of non-compliance with standard operating procedures or a deviation from established norms can erode safety margins. By understanding and addressing these human factors, aviation organizations aim to enhance safety culture, improve training, and reduce the likelihood of accidents caused by human error.